MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
between JL Minhoops and Davao Micro Smith. Here are the starters beginning with JL Minhoops. Starting at guard, number 25, Mark Marasigan. The other guard, Mark Titulak. Your forward star, number 16, Prince Lumbera. The other forward, number 6, Earl Backing. And at center, number 18, Paul Vinyas. And now, the starting five for Davao Micro Smith. Starting at guard, number 10, Floyd Lucero. The other guard, number 29, Matthew Carpio. Your forward star, number 8, Lord Lanning. The other forward, number 32, Alden Singor. And at center, number 34, Akiro Lim. Head coach of Davao Micro Smith, Mark Herrera, and team owner, Iris Chuma.
Welcome back to the continuing coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPPL Pocket League Season 2. We are live here at SM South Mall, Las Piñas. My name is JP Luisa. With me is John Mahari. This is the third, game number 3 of 9 here in this Saturday 9-game slate. Right now, we are looking at the 12 under division once again, this time between Davao Micro Smith and JL Minihoops. But before we get into this game, partner, what can you say about our first 2 games?
Yung first 2 games natin, medyo ang bigat din, no?
Oo, di ba? Kahit bata pa lang.
Oo, bata pa lang talagang makikita mo na yung mga potentials ng bawat isa,
Yes.
bawat teams, no? Talagang makikita mo yung mga players sa future natin.
Pero yung pinaka-impressive sa kanilang partner, ang agang call time.
Oo, talaga. 7 first game. So usually 6 pa lang.
Correct.
Dito na sila.
Pero what I can tell everyone right now, for those who want to watch and catch our games, they can watch it here for free dito sa SM South Mall. And the best part, partner, bukas na yung mall.
Yun. Medyo narami ng tao, no?
Oo. But meanwhile, here in this ball game, it will be a 12 and under division, as we mentioned, no, between Davao Micro Smith, the boys in green, versus JL Minihoops, the boys in blue. So, partner, what can you tell us about these 2 teams?
Itong JL Minihoops, galing pala sila sa Lipa.
Oh, okay.
Galing silang Lipa pa. Bago pumunta dito sa game na to, galing pa silang Lipa.
Great.
Tapos, ball club sila.
Mhm.
Yun nga lang, galing sila sa talo last game.
So, they're looking to bounce back.
Yeah,
Oo.
kailangan nilang bumawi dito sa game na to. At
Oo.
sabi naman sa akin ni coach, naka-ready sila dito sa game na to kahit na ang kalaban talaga nila alam naman natin na medyo mabigat.
Medyo mabigat nga.
Oo. So, pero dito sa game, bawat game daw nila gusto nila makagain ng experience.
Tama naman. And
Yun.
that is the best way to learn, no? Given the exposure. Ngayon, ano masasabi mo tungkol kay Davao Micro Smith?
Ito namang si Davao Micro Smith, medyo mabigat talaga to dahil talagang ready sila dahil kakauwi lang nila. Galing silang Singapore.
Singapore. Oh my God.
Singapore. At hindi lang sila galing doon dahil nirepresent nila ang team ng Pilipinas sa 12 under.
My gosh. So,
Yeah.
nag-Singapore sila, hindi para magbakasyon, pero para maglaro.
Yes, naglaro sila sa Asia Pacific Cup.
Oh, gosh.
So, nag-Grand Slam sila doon.
Kakaiba.
Singapore.
Yes.
Para sa 12 years old.
Oo. Kung 12 years old ako, wala pang ganyan.
Yes, yun. At ito, ang mga key players na
Yes.
kailangan palang abangan natin ay si Akiro Lim.
Aha.
At itong si Mateo Carpio
Oh,
at
definitely.
si Floyd Locero.
Okay.
Yun yung mga kailangan
these are
natin.
common names who have been playing so well for this squad so far. And they continue to be very promising para sa Junior MPBL Pocket League. And meanwhile, no, you mentioned it yourself. Medyo favorites dito mga Davao Microsmith dahil sa height nila. Again, we have to remind everyone, no, 12 and under. Pero ang tatangkad
Ang
ng
laki.
mga iba dito.
Lalo ito si Lim.
Oo,
Tignan mo yung height niya, 12 years old.
correct.
Pero doon ako na talaga, Singapore.
Right? It's very amazed na these kids who are only 12 years old get this exposure.
Yeah. To represent Philippines.
Yes.
Diba?
Tama.
12 and under.
So, syempre, yung expectation nila, no, is very big given that they have experience playing in these kinds of environment.
Saka sure ako yung experience na nakuha nila doon ay madadala nila dito sa liga.
Definitely. Meanwhile, it is a 5-2 game to start the quarter. Great defense are being shown here by JL Mini Hoops despite the aggressiveness shown here by Davao Microsmith. And a timeout is quickly called here once again by JL Mini Hoops to start this campaign. The first timeout of this ball game. And this timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Back into the action. It is 5-2 to this opening quarter care of Davao Microsmith. And unfortunately, they were unaware of the shot clock. Shot clock violation is shown by Davao Microsmith. JL Mini Hoops with the possession. Great quick steal. Both squads trading possessions this early on. JL Mini Hoops open down low, unable to score but they were able to get the contact. At yun yung gusto mo kung JL Mini Hoops ka, getting the contact dun sa big guy nila na si Lim.
Oo, kasi lately sa game, makukuha mo advantage yun.
Correct.
Pagka nakapakomit mo siya ng maraming fouls.
Si Akiro Lim, no, getting that first foul and immediately is being subbed out by the coaching staff of Davao Microsmith, giving some fresh legs inside. Unable to make the first free throw, itong si Mark Denlex titular.
At dito pala sa JL Mini Hoops, no, ang kailangan natin yung mga key players nila ay si titular, Mark. At si Prince Lumbera. At saka itong si Viñas, Paul Viñas. So sila yung
mga players na kailangan natin na itutukan.
Tama.
You know, we can sound like a broken record, pero once again, no, one thing that these kids are very grateful for is the platform that they are given to showcase their talents. Kasi nung time natin, partner, aminin natin, sobrang angas ng flex kung representative ka ng isang school or varsity, di ba? Kung varsity player ka, you feel like you're on top of the world. Ngayon, not necessarily varsity, pero club teams, hindi lang school-based teams yung mga teams dito. If they get exposed here, they get not only experience, but at the same time, you have a platform for others to showcase your talent.
Na hindi lang ba sa platform, ibang level to.
Exactly.
Manny Pacquiao's.
Like I would say, one of the top talaga, yung Manny Pacquiao's MPBL, what more the junior, diba? Because because one thing that I've seen over a year in this league, nag-rank up yung mga players eh. Kasi di ba may mga 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 na under. Kaya familiar dito yung mga players sa kanila kasi katulad sa MPBL, every season may mga napapapilita ng mga,
Yes.
ng mga teams. Ito, tumataas yung mga levels nila. And habang tumataas yung mga levels ng mga players, mas nag-extend yung mga skills nila, mas may
Yes.
exposure sila, mas kalmado sila pagdating sa actual game. And those are the kinds of, kumbaga, moments na sobrang grateful yung mga bata.
Tama. At mga bibilang ka lang ng ilang years. Baka sa MPBL, sila na yung naglalaro.
Exactly. Yan yung goal. Yan yung long-term end goal.
Yun yung pinakamaganda doon. Dahil bata pa lang, makita mo na siya dito sa Manny Pacquiao's
Diba?
Junior MPBL. Paangat sila ng paangat hanggang sa soon, makikita mo sila sa MPBL na.
What would you say, no? Let's say mga 5 to 6 years down the road, sasabihin nila, oh, galing ako sa junior.
Baka makalabang ko pa iba dito.
Diba? Oo,
Diba?
pwede rin,
Diba?
man.
Hindi mo maiwasan,
Correct.
di ba? Lalo yung mga nasa 17 and under.
Oo.
Diba?
I would say the 17, 18, even may 21 under tayo, partner, sa D-League. Baka ilan sa kanila.
Mga ilang taon lang, mga
Diba?
kabanggaan ko na
Oo.
dun sa MPBL. no? Sabi, oy kuya, ikaw yung nag-cover dun sa game namin nung bata pa ako.
Correct. yun yung science partner na medyo tumatanda ka na kasi.
Pero isipin mo, grabe yung goal ng liga. No?
Yes.
Talagang,
Kumbaga,
parang may path sila na pupuntahan.
kumbaga grassroots program, kumbaga you're letting them get all of these exposures. And for all you, nagkakalabanan na sila
Tama.
against other players who aren't part of the program.
Tapos dun sa MPBL, sila rin makikita.
Exactly.
Diba? Ang
The
galing.
best of the best.
Ang ganda nung platform na to.
Mm.
Ganda nung liga.
Yes, overall. Speaking of liga, besides the Pocket League right now, meron tayong Junior MPBL playoffs na yun na nangyayari sa sa Malabon. And they're happening right now, so make sure you catch them online. Or if you are within the area, you can do so. The Junior MPBL will be at Inares Montalban, while the Pocket League is here, of course, in SM South Mall.
Galing, no? Talagang sabay-sabay.
Oo.
Ang daming players na nabibigyan ng opportunity.
Correct.
Parang bata pa lang, ang dami na nilang opportunity
And
sa
the best
basketball.
partner, year-long tong tournament na to. So, you'll get to really see and have a good eye kung sino yung mga itutukan na players.
Yung mga aabangan mo.
Oo.
Talaga.
Kumbaga, kung ikaw bilang player na yun ng MPBL partner, scout mo na yun eh.
Oo, scout mo na. Malay mo sa future, bigla kang maging coach.
Oo.
Alam mo na kung sino yung
Oh,
mga
diba?
players.
Meanwhile, it's only the first quarter, but it is a low-scoring ball game, partner. 5-2 pa lang. I guess, tinatansyan pa nila yung isa't isa.
Tama.
Great defense on both squads.
Kumukuha pa sila ng mga kanya-kanyang momentum.
Yes. Back and forth action, and then in the end, great 2-point basket. Care of Zonic Dudas, extending the lead to 5. Second chance opportunity ang pinapakita dito ng Davao Microsmith. Great aggressive play. And an end one bucket ang meron dito para sa Davao Microsmith. Not giving up on the play. Itong si Floyd Lucero.
0. Grabe. Fake shot, one dribble.
Oo,
Floater.
mahirap yun.
May sumabit pang foul.
Mm,
Halatang galing talaga sila sa laro pa eh.
yes.
Talagang makikita mo sa mga body language nila na ready sila.
At mas tumataas na yung kumpiyansa mo given that exposure sa abroad.
Tama kasi hindi mga ibang lahi kalaban mo dun eh.
What more kung dito, di ba? Parang for them, kayang-kaya nila.
Magandang experience talaga.
Mm. But at the same time, no, partner, if you are JL Mini Hoops, hindi ka dapat intimidated.
Oo, tama. kailangan gawin mong challenge yun
Ayun.
na hindi pwede. Hindi ako,
Kasi sa tingin mo, sila yung favorite.
Oo,
at yung
kailangan.
underdog.
kaya ko silang sabayan.
Correct.
May pagsabayan sa kanila.
45 seconds remaining in this opening quarter. 10-2. Very slow start here for both squads. Pinapakita na yung kanilang defensive capabilities. This is the third game of 9. Let me remind everyone. Here in SM South Mall, Davao Microsmith are in the lead 10-2 against the JL Mini Hoops. 12 and under. I believe you mentioned, no? JL Mini Hoops are trying to bounce back from their last game dahil talo, habang si Davao Microsmith, I believe, nanalo, I think, from their last game.
Yeah.
So they're trying to extend their lead, their winning streak.
Pero syempre, naka-ready tong JL Mini
Oo.
Hoops. Talagang nag-prepare daw sila para sa game na to dahil alam nila, mga kalaban nila hindi rin basta-basta.
Oo, true. Meanwhile, great defensive stop here from the green shirts. 22 seconds remaining. A three-point bomb. No good by Carpio. Possession will go to the blue shirts.
Pag mga ganton, 12 under, talagang depensahan.
Actually, napapansin ko rin, no, since our previous game, mas defense ang calling card nila.
Oo, kumukuha sila ng opensa galing depensa.
Oo.
Which is medyo tama din naman.
Correct.
Talaga kailangan dumepensa ka muna bago ako miscore.
And at the end of the first quarter, low scoring ball game, partner, pero it doesn't mean na pangat yung laro. Ang ganda lang ng depensa na pinapakita ng both squad. And with that, we have here, at the end of the first quarter, I believe it is 10 points to 2-4 in favor of Davao Microsmith. We will be right back. We are here now at the second quarter of game number 3 of the continuing coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior PBL Pocket League Season 2 12 under division. We are here live at the SM South Mall in Las Piñas City. JP Ruiz calling the action here with John Mahari. And we are in for a very exciting game. Slow start, but that doesn't mean that it is not entertaining. Partner, ano masasabi mo dito sa Davao Microsmith with their, I guess right now, 10-point lead?
Yung aggressiveness nila sa depensa.
Oo.
Tsaka sa pag-convert ng mga points na nakukuha nila. At tsaka makikita mo talagang ensayado
Oo.
sila, bawat galaw. Alam nila kung nasan yung mga libre.
Correct.
Talagang naka-ready sila.
Kumbaga system basketball
Oo,
medyo
tama.
yung in place kasi alam nila kung nasaan yung mga teammates.
Oo.
Meanwhile, ano sa tingin mo yung dapat gawin ni JL Mini Hoops para makabawi?
Sa JL Mini Hoops, siguro kailangan nila improve nila yung ball movement nila. Yung dribbling skills ng mga player. Medyo okay naman pero wala silang ma-forwardan pass. Parang
Correct.
forward pass, walang ano mo yun, one player lang yung nagbababa
Yes.
ng bola. So para ma-break mo kasi itong
Press
full
nila.
court press na to, talagang kailangan meron kang ball movement. Talagang forward pass, dun ka sa mga right spot.
Katulad nito, as you can see here, great effect here. Unable to control the basketball though. Possession may babalik sa Davao Microsmith. 8 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Great effort here by both squads on the defensive end. Very aggressive, partner. Hindi bumababa yung energy nila.
Oo. Hindi talagang ubusan ng lakas.
Oo. 3-on-1. Great steal here by the green shirts. Open. Mateo Carpio. In and out. Oh, great aggressive second chance opportunity. No good. A third one. No. Mateo Carpio getting the loose ball. 3-point bucket. No good. Another second shot. But a loose ball foul from Villegas.
Medyo na puwersa doon.
Oo.
Medyo nagamitan ng puwersa. Pero yun nga, itong JL Mini Hoops, medyo kailangan nila makontrol itong nangyayari dahil pag di nila to nagawa ng paraan, baka magbalon pa itong kalamangan ng Davao Microsmith.
Possession will be with JL Mini Hoops. A couple of substitutions are being brought in. And right now, under 7 minutes remaining. Quick trap ang pinapakita dito. Great defensive stop here from Davao Microsmith. Green shirts are running. Ganda ng ball movement. Automatic 3-pointer dito para sa Davao Microsmith.
Ang ganda nung 3-point na yun dahil libreng-libre siya.
Oo.
Galing din yun sa kakampi niya na nakita siyang libre. Yung ball movement nila, talagang makikita mo dito.
Si Floyd Lucero with that triple.
Unselfish play.
Oo. 13-point lead. Great rebound, not giving up the play. Greater block from Davao Microsmith. Fast break. Evading the defender. Second chance opportunity. Loose ball. Mad scramble. This is Lalik. Unable to get the basketball from JL Mini Hoops. And getting the easy two. Itong si Jacob Zach Amar.
Finally, naka-convert na sila after ilang plays.
Oo, and that was because of a turnover. Great defensive stop. Possession will go back to JL Mini Hoops. 15-4. 5 minutes and 17 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Lucero. Ooh! And that is Floyd Lucero able to get the contact. 2 free throws naman para sa kanya.
Itong JL Mini Hoops, no? Siguro kailangan nila na pag nakuha yung bola, wag muna nalang i-dribble. Look, tumingin muna sila ng mga forward pass o kaya kung may mga teammates sila na nasa likod. Kasi inaabangan lang sila nitong Davao Microsmith na mag-dribble. At once na nag-dribble ka, ipo-force ka nila para mapunta ka sa sideline.
Correct.
At nandoon na bigla yung double. Talagang inaabangan ka lang nila. So, siguro kailangan nilang makontrol itong.
As you mentioned, no, you mentioned very important to look ahead and make sure you get that extra pass para mawawasan na yung turnover. Tama naman.
Tama. Kasi itong Davao, inaabangan lang sila mag-dribble.
Correct.
Dribble.
Oh, he had right intention in mind. Itong si Villa Corza, unable to control the basketball. Ngayon, tinan natin kung anong gagawin itong JL Mini Hoops from the backcourt. As you said, find the open man. Oh, too soon. Very quick at pace. Losing the basketball. Sayang yung effort ni Jacob Zach Amar.
Sayang, pero good intention
Yes.
ginawa nila.
Oo.
Doon mo talaga mabubutas yun dahil kailangan makita mo yung open man
Correct.
at i-forward pass mo.
I believe it was titular. Tama yung pasa niya kay Vinyas,
Oo.
kaso hindi niya nakuha eh. So,
Nakuha, tama.
unfortunate error there. However, let's see what adjustments yung gagawin nila with this timeout. care of Domo Domo Slurp. Enjoy, smile. And with that, no, this is the second quarter. 16-4 in favor of Davao Microsmith. Salamat sa ating referee for saving the ball from our screen.
Munti ka na.
Oo.
Pero kung mapapansin mo sa game na to, medyo low scoring talaga, no?
Oo, despite the score that you see here, 16-4, ang ganda talaga ng depensa ng dalawang teams.
Parehas talaga. Nagkakataon lang na nako-convert nitong Davao
Correct.
Microsmith.
Like there, on that very last second, able to score itong Alden Singpol. And once again, no, breaking the press, great passes ang pinapakita dito ng JL Miniho.
Na-break mo na yung press. So, ang next step,
Convert.
convert.
2 chances, unable to do so. Great effort here para sa Davao Microsmith. Floater, no good. Open for 3. That's good! Mateo Carpio able to knock it down.
Ang ganda ng pasahan nitong Davao.
Oo. As you can see in that last play, no, JL Minihoop is able to break the press. Kaso, pagdating ng half court, medyo nasa stutter yata sila.
Hindi nila nagagawa kung ano yung opensa
Oo.
na dapat nagagawa nila. Medyo binibigyan kasi sila nitong Davao Microsmith ng matinding pressure, ball pressure talaga. Kung sino may hawak ng bola, talagang pinipressure talaga nila.
At yung masama pa doon, after isang tira, hindi sila makakuha ng offensive
Wala
rebound.
nang offensive rebound. So, wala na silang second chance.
Correct.
Unlike nitong
Correct.
Davao, ngayon lang, second chance point. Ay, second chance.
Nagsa second chance opportunity sila, able to go to the free throw line dahil sa contact. And this, I believe, I see Brendan Talakay able to go to the free throw line, unable to make the first. Again, as you mentioned, medyo heavy favorites itong Davao Microsmith because of their experience abroad. And at the same time, their system play of basketball, no? I believe, medyo veteran na itong coaching staff ng Davao Microsmith, able to
yes.
know what's right.
Medyo nagko-coach na sila sa mga malaking liga rin.
Oo,
Mga collegiate.
correct. Going all the way, no one stopping him, unable to score. Again, once nakuha yung rebound, ang taas ng pressure na pinapakita dito ni Davao Microsmith.
Dalawa agad yung nakadepensa
Oo.
dito sa JL Mini-Hoops. Talagang kinukumpol nila.
Yes.
So, para sa JL Mini-Hoops, i-release nila yung bola. Ang
Correct.
problema, nakaabang naman itong ibang mga players ng Davao Microsmith
Correct.
to deny
Exactly.
passing lane.
Until now, kailangan nila mahanap yung rhythm para mabawasan yung pressure.
Para makuha mo yun, kailangan makashoot talaga.
Great offensive rebound, but a block. Oh! A foul is called on the 3-point line. Very rare call, partner. Kaso natawagan ng foul and 3 free throws ay may bibigay kay Kian Arjen Gutierrez.
meron silang chance na makapuntos dito.
Oo. Every point counts, kumbaga, as you said, no? And kung hindi nila ma-score dito, might as well try on the free throw line. Unable to make the first though. 1 of 3. JL Mini Hoops trying their best to bounce back from their previous game that they ended up with a loss. Medyo crucial to, partner. Like, if you are already down this big, very important mga free throws na to.
Oo, talagang kailangan makakonvert ka.
Oo.
At itong JL Mini Hoops, medyo nahihirapan sila mag-execute ng kanilang offense.
Yes. And there will be a timeout care of Davao Microsmith to close the half. Let's see what kind of play they can execute here. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. And right now, partner, I believe Davao Microsmith is eating a lot of Chef's Magic kasi ang laki ng lamang na pinapakita nila.
Talagang they control itong game na to.
It has been all Davao Microsmith this first half. Pero that doesn't mean na lackluster yung efforts nitong JL Mini Hoops. Dahil nakikita naman natin na sobrang aggressive lang on the defensive end. I believe, as you mentioned, nakita mo kagad yun. Mahirap silang maghanap ng ball handler or mahirap mag-pass ng bola to their open teammates because of the pressure defense na pinapakita nitong Davao Microsmith.
Dinideny nila yung mga passing lane.
Oo.
Pero mahaba pa naman tong game na
Yes,
to. Meron pa
that's right.
second half.
And again, one more timeout is being given to Davao Microsmith to end the half. Let's see how they can close this quarter out. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. .49 seconds remaining in this first half in the 12 and under division. Davao Microsmith with the possession. Great defense here. Open three. Unable to score because of a 3-second violation. Great stop here from JL Mini Hoops. Let's see if they can convert in this next possession. Oh, Blue Shirts are running. However, they lost control of the basketball. Great crossover. Green shirt over two, losing the basketball. And it is a traveling call by Villacorza.
Grabe yung aggressiveness dun sa play na yun.
Yep.
Ayaw bitawan talaga yung bola.
Nope. Oh, great pressure defense. Almost a 5-second call. Again, great passing yung pinapakita dito ng JL Mini Hoops, but a great rejection. Care of Akiro Lim.
Yun talaga yung isang advantage mo pag meron kang big man doon sa gitna.
Literal
Talagang
big man.
tataas niya lang yung kamay niya,
Oo.
mahirapan ka na tumira.
Di nga tumalon eh. 12 to shoot. 3-pointer. That's good. Care of Mark Denrex titular.
Kailangan nila yung puntos na yun. At galing yun sa extra pass.
Ooh, but a quick counter here by Mateo Carpio with an and one bucket.
Play by play. Ang ganda na nangyari.
Fast-paced action na yun yung pinapakita to end the first half. 22-8 in favor of Davao Microsmith. Mateo Carpio shooting the N1 free throw. No good. And that ends the first half of this ball game. This 12 under division. It has been all Davao Microsmith in this first half. And
Talagang kinontrol nitong Davao Microsmith itong first 2 quarters natin. No? Talagang di nila binibigyan ng chance itong JL Mini Hoops. Pero para sa JL Mini Hoops, meron pa silang time to adjust dun sa next 2 quarters natin. No? So, yun yung abangan natin kung paano nila mare-recover itong mga sarili nila dito sa game na to.
24-8 in favor of Davao Microsmith. We will be right back. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal, whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game. Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, every meal a magic moment. And we are back here for the continuing coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2. This is the third of 9 games here in SM South Mall, Las Piñas. Welcome everyone. My name is JP Ruiz and with me is John Mahari. We are covering all 9 games today. This is a 12 and under division between the Davao Microsmith, the boys in green, versus JL Mini Hoops, the boys in orange. And for those who are just tuning in, John, anong masasabi mo para sa second half? Dahil sa performance sa first half.
Yung first half natin, medyo talagang yung Davao Microsmith yung nag-dictate ng game na yun. At ito namang JL Mini Hoops, medyo nag-a-adjust pa sila. So tignan natin dito sa second half nitong game natin kung ano yung adjustment na magagawa nitong JL Mini Hoops.
Mukhang marami nangyari dito, no, para sa Davao Microsmith in order for them to get this big lead.
Saka isang napansin ko dito yung field goal percentage nitong JL Mini Hoops. 17%, 17.6 lang. 3 out of 17 nung first half.
That is not good. If you are JL Mini Hoops, you want to make sure that you get good shot selections as much as possible.
At i-mention ko na rin itong free throws nila.
1
out
out of
of 9.
and you wouldn't want that if you are trying to get back into this ball game.
Yes.
However, we will get back into more action of the first half after this quick timeout. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Back into the action. It has been all Davao Microsmith this first half. And right now, if you're JL Mini Hoops, as you can see here from their big man, si Paul Lawrence Viñas, they're trying their best to get back slowly but surely. Able to make the first 3 throws. As you said, partner, you mentioned it right on cue. 1 out of 9 lang sila. So, if you are JL Mini Hoops, kailangan kayo bumawi sa free throws.
Oo, kasi isa to sa mga kailangan nila, itong mga free throws na to. Kailangan ma-convert talaga to. At sa first half natin, dito sa JL Mini Hoops, ang umiscore lang sa kanila is si Jacob Amar at saka si Mark Titular.
Oo nga.
So siguro itong second half, kailangan nila ng more on collective
That
effort.
makes sense,
talaga.
yes. You could clearly see the effort and passion here, no? Kay Titular.
Oo, talagang go hard.
Oo. And so far, it is going all the way for Davao Microsmith with another easy basket. Extending the lead now, 34-9. Great pressure defense ang pinapakita dito. Able to evade the defense. However, great double team. And again, another turnover. Another easy 2 here for Davao Microsmith. And don't look now, partner. Hindi nakakapagod tong Davao Microsmith. Again, once again on the defensive end.
Talagang pinipressure talaga nila. Nagbibigay sila ng full court press.
And once again, an aggressive play here, leading to an apparent injury here for, I believe this is Mark Denrex, titular of the JL Mini Hoops.
Pero credit din dito sa JL Mini Hoops. Talagang hindi sila humihinto sa paglalaro.
That's true. Both squads now are going back to their respective benches as mentioned by the referee and the venue announcer. Meanwhile, the medic is taking a closer look at Titular. I believe, partner, this is the third straight game yata na may medic attention.
Every game, no? Pero sana hindi naman.
Hopefully, it is nothing serious, and of course, the medic will do whatever they can to make sure that every player is safe here in Manny Pacquiao's Junior BL Pocket League Season 2. The more you look at them, partner, I believe Titular will get there shortly, but we will find out after this quick break. And we are back here for the continuing coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior PBL Pocket League Season 2, 12 and under division. 6 minutes and 30 remaining in the third quarter. JL Mini Hoops trying to score here in this possession. Able to score and knock it down. That was Jacob Zach Amar able to score, but a quick recovery, no good here from Carpio. But a foul was called, giving 2 free throws for Davao Microsmith. That is care of Lord Dwayne Lalik. Lalik able to make the first of 2 free throws. And to the delight of the crowd, no? That's one thing you would appreciate if you're a player. Eh. Actually, napapansin ko dito, partner, from experience lang, the younger you are, the more fans.
Oo, kasi yung buong family mo niyan, pag may gantong mga game ka, kasama talaga yun to support you.
Pero slowly, pag tumatanda ka, mas prefer mo, wala sila eh.
Oh. Kasi nandun yung medyo naiiyak.
Oo.
Pero, di ba, makikita natin na kung gaano ka-supportive yung mga parents
And that's always a positive, yes.
ng mga bata na to.
38-11 in the third quarter. Great ball movement pinapakita dito sa Davao Microsmith. In and out. No good. Great put-back shot here, care of Carl Villegas. Again, pressure defense ang pinapakita dito sa green shirts despite the huge lead na yun.
Talagang ang nagdi-dictate dito is yung Davao Microsmith.
29-point lead. And now the blue shirts are running. Unable to convert. Itong JL Mini Hoops si Ishwarya Gamoso. Carpio open for 3. No good. Despite the box out na pinapakita dito ni Vinyas, ang nakakahirap talaga yung defense na pinapakita dito ni Davao Microsmith.
Talagang ano sila eh. Talagang lahat sila rebound. Hindi yun nakatingin lang sila. Talagang
Possession will go back to the green shirts. 10 seconds to shoot. Possession will stay with Davao Microsmith. In and out. Sorry, miss here. Not giving up on the play. Once again, another 2-point bucket here for Davao Microsmith. Blue shirts are running. No good. And a quick 2 in favor of Davao Microsmith. It has been all green shirts so far.
Medyo sa quarter na to, talagang dumidiin na itong Davao Microsmith. Talagang they're not allowing itong JL Mini Hoops na makascore talaga.
And because of that, there's another timeout called for JL Mini Hoops. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Forty-six 11 in favor of Davao Microsmith. Partner, it has now been a 35-point lead.
Talagang itong Davao Microsmith, pinupush talaga nila itong limit.
Yung masama pa doon, partner, hindi nag-give up tong JL Mini Hoops. It just so happens na hindi talaga tumitigil.
Hindi talaga sila at saka hindi rin sila maka-convert. Pero kudos sa kanila dahil talagang ginagawa naman nila yung best nila para dito sa game na to. Talagang hindi lang nila siguro magawa ng tama yung kung nasan dapat sila doon sa play.
Yes.
Hindi sila maka-convert eh.
Correct.
Pero magandang experience to para sa kanila.
No, you're right.
Kasi para sa mga next game nila, di ba? Madala nila to. Yung mga gantong klaseng kalaban, may magigain ka.
Actually, partner, that's one thing that one of my panels told me before, na the best ability for any player is availability. So the fact that they're getting all of these exposures to play, regardless of the level of the opponents, it will help them grow regardless, whether they win or lose. Ano to? Parang si Giannis yung nagsasabi na every game, it's a step forward to get better. So for them, for JL Mini Hoops, regardless na yun of the score, they are, tama ka, we are seeing naman the effort They're doing everything they can to get better.
Meron ka kasing magigain dito sa
Correct.
mga gantong laro
Correct.
So hindi mo man siya nagawa ngayon, baka sa mga next upcoming games nyo, magawa mo siya.
Definitely, partner. Meanwhile, on the other end, another easy basket here for Davao Microsmith. And for Davao Microsmith, no, para siyang one-oiled machine na hindi sila na-face.
Talagang sabay-sabay talaga.
Oo.
Pagka may pinasok na isa, same energy, yung intense nung bawat isa, parehas. Hindi sila yung pag may pinasok na isa, papainit mo na.
Correct.
Pero pag pinasok mo, go.
Alam nila kung anong dapat nilang gawin sa defensive end at alam nila kung sino nilang papasahan in order to get easier baskets.
Tama. Talagang composed sila.
Oo. Meanwhile, itong si Viñas, si Paul Lawrence Viñas, unable to make the first of 2 free throws. Those are the simple things, partner. Even if you're as simple as converting on free throws, practice those free throws to get more opportunity. And you can see there, unable to convert.
Malaking bagay din talaga yung mga free throws na gano'n dahil minsan dun ka makakuha ng momentum mo eh. Sa free throw eh.
And you know what's so cool about it? Dapat as early as their age, dapat pinapractice na nila yan.
Yes. Kasi, yun nga, learning sa experience, magagamit mo yan pagka medyo umangat ka na sa mga next level.
Correct. For all you know, partner, diba? There are coaches everywhere who will scout on these kids eh. So, habang tumatanda sila, siyempre, i-check nila kamusta yung free throws nila. Okay ba yung intensity nila on both ends of the floor?
Tama.
Regardless of the score.
Hindi naman lagi yun about sa score.
Exactly.
Hindi lagi sa score tumitingin yun. Sabi nga nila, sabi nga ng mga coaches, yung mga hindi nakikita sa stats,
Yung mas
yun
mahalaga.
yung minsan mas mahalaga.
Oo. Tama yan. Meanwhile, it is now less than 30 seconds remaining in this third quarter. 52-11 is the score. All Davao Microsmith. I believe, partner, in the first two games, medyo close yung bakbakan. Medyo lopsided na yun, this third game.
Ito parang statement. Eh.
Oo, it's a statement win.
Statement.
Ay, sorry, hindi pala win kasi hindi pa tapos. Pero statement game so far
Oo,
sa three
parang-
quarters.
Nagbigay din ng statement itong Davao kung gaano sila ka-prepared
Oo.
sa bawat games
correct.
nila.
I would agree there. And right now, very flow, great ball movement ang pinapakita nila.
Oo, tama.
Great drop pass.
At ito naman yung chance ng mga ibang teams na nanonood dito kung paano sila makapag-prepare dito sa Davao Microsmith.
Correct, because
Diba?
after this, Davao Microsmith will still have a couple of games more. So let's see if they are keeping a close eye on this team. Meanwhile, it is the end of the third quarter. Davao Microsmith 54, JL Mini Hoops 11. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chess Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chess Magic, make every meal a magic moment. And in this fourth quarter, yung buong squad ng Davao Microsmith ay for sure kumain ng Chef's Magic.
Oo, talagang nasarapan sila kasi grabe yung energy na
Oo.
meron sila. Talagang
Hanggang
pinapakita nila.
54-11. We are here right now in the third game of 9 here in the SM South Mall Las Piñas. For the continuing coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior PBL Pocket League Season 2, this is a 12-under division between the Davao Microsmith and the JL Mini Hoops. JP Ruiz calling the action along with John Mahali. And right now, partner, you said it is going everything Davao Microsmith's way. Although we mentioned earlier in the third quarter, all the upside na pwede kunin ni JL Mini Hoops because of this ball game.
Oo, tama ka dun. Meron silang mapupulot dito sa game na to para madala nila dun sa mga upcoming games nga na parating sa kanila.
And as you mentioned rin, if you are an opponent or upcoming opponent of Davao Microsmith, you want to do whatever, you want to scout everything they have para maiiba yung outcome nila.
Yes, at tingin ko, mahihirapan ka mag-scout dito sa Davao dahil halos lahat ng player,
Actually,
lahat ng player talagang
Kumbaga-
nagbibigay ng effort at pumupuntos.
kumbaga hindi yung player yung dapat mong isi-scout, kumbaga yung system nila, no? Which is harder.
Tama, yung sistema nila kung paano sila maglaro. Para sa ganun, pag kayo naman ang nagkatapat, medyo may, alam mo na kung ano yung mga pwede nilang ibigay sa'yo.
Correct. Meanwhile, that is a quick bucket here for JL Mini Hoops. That is a tough floater. Care of Mateo Carpio. 58-13. 7:47 remaining in this ball game. That is a tough mid-range J. Unable to control the basketball. Loose mad scramble. Almost. And because of that, no attempt was made. A 24-second shot clock violation. Seven minutes and 12 remaining in this ball game. Sometimes nakakamiss talaga na 12 years old pa lang sila, no? Like,
Oo.
normally, I would say, agree with you partner na nung 12 years old tayo, konti lang yung mga plays na siniset natin nung varsity days natin. And as early as 12, they understand already. Tumataas yung basketball IQ nila given the plays na kinu-call out ng mga coaches.
Tama, dahil din to sa mga iba't ibang liga or platform na nalalaroan nila. Nag-i-improve yung mga bata. Unlike sa atin dati or na-experience ko is parang sarili mo lang, ikaw nang bahala kung paano mo siya pag-aaralan.
By that last play, that was a 3-point shot that was fouled, but the refs are looking into it closely. Hindi natin alam kung offensive foul ba or... Oh! An unsportsmanlike foul! Wow, that is very rare here. So it's 2 free throws and possession.
Ngayon lang ako naka-experience ng ANSPO
Sa Pocket League, oo.
Nakakita.
It does happen. It does happen. So, yung mangyayari dito, 2 free throws plus possession, mapupunta kay JL Mini Hoops. I believe, ano ba nakita yung foul na yun? Paano nangyari yung foul na yun? I think it's baka intentional na,
Landing spot, maybe
oo,
landing spot.
if not landing spot, baka yung close out niya, sinadyahan na hindi sa bola, baka sa tao,
Pwede rin.
baka sa player. And unfortunately, the 3 free throws
free
because of the 3-point shot. So 2 more free throws here for for Kian Arjen Gutierrez. Unable to make the second. Baka na-face pa siya dahil masama yung landing niya kanina nung tinira niya. So, trying to get his rhythm back. Unable to make the free throws, but possession will still be with JL Mini Hoops. Six minutes and 30 remaining. That was a tough shot there for JL Mini Hoops. All the way, great outlet pass. Good feed here for Davao Microsmith. That is care of Nija Villacorza.
Ganda ng opensa nitong Davao. Talagang forward pass. Yung mga ano nila, yung mga binibigay nilang mga pasa sa kakampi nila, talagang shoot ka na lang.
Oo.
Talagang hindi rin sila humihinto. Parang sila rin yung naghahabol. Parang hindi sila yung lamang dito sa game na
Correct.
to.
They're doing everything they can to not slow down. And this one is care of Zonik Dudas. Again, another possession going their way. This time an easy two, care of Kyrie Viday. And they are not slowing down, partner. This is going to be another timeout for JL Mini Hoops with 5 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in this ball game. Timeout. Care of Domo Domo, Slurp, Enjoy, Smile. Possession will stay with JL Mini Hoops with 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in this ball game. Oh, great drop pass. Unable to score everything but the bucket here. And those sorry misses, partner, nakakalungkot tignan.
Yes, makikita mo na nandoon na eh.
So frustrating.
Libre na eh.
Oo.
Talagang hindi lang maka-convert.
Davao Microsmith now. Able to get the putback. Second chance opportunity para kay Akiro Lim. Unfortunate turnover here. Piling up for JL Mini Hoops. You can see the passion sa coaching staff ng JL Mini Hoops. Kahit sobrang tambak na, they just want to work on the next play. Make sure na okay yung execution nila.
Yes, tama. Siyempre, kailangan siguro pakita ni coach na kasi hindi siya sumusuko. Siyempre,
Oo.
para next play lang. Para yung mga players niya, makikita, si coach ko hindi,
Nag-give up, di ba?
Oo.
As in, explain mentality. Meanwhile, that was a great shot. Care of Carpio. Unable to score something titular.
Saka hindi naman din natatapos dito sa game na to.
Exactly.
Itong, di ba? Meron pa mga next game. So, sabi ko nga kanina, meron sila mga matututunan dito sa laro na to para sa next game nila, madadala nila.
Actually, yung mas mahirap pala doon, partner, I don't know if same boat tayo, pero mas mahirap kung coach ka ng team na currently nagsistruggle. So if you are the coaching staff of JL Mini Hoops, you have to stay composed and make sure na yung mindset mo, despite the big deficit, next play mentality or still keep fighting or
Yes.
things that you can learn. Tama ka?
Yes, siyempre. Kailangan puro positive ka lang. At saka, kailangan next play ka lang. Hindi ka pwedeng magpa-apekto dun sa kalamangan na meron. Kasi, kahit na ganyan yung lamang, siyempre, kailangan mong kahit pa paano magawa pa rin ng tama. Kahit na ganyan yung nangyayari. Kasi, kung magawa mo siya ng tama, na ganyan yung mga kalaban ng what more, di ba?
Yes, that's right.
Ayan.
I mean, you can see everything going Davao Microsmith's way. Pero syempre, in the perspective or point of view of JL Mini Hoops, di ba? It will give you an idea or
Yes.
it will make you think ano yung magiging next step ni coaching staff ng JL Mini Hoops, ano yung adjustments na kailangan gawin.
Yes.
Kasi it's still early on in the season and this is a great development for the mindset of 12-year-old boys.
Yes. Tsaka, second game pa lang itong
Oo.
JL Mini Hoops. So, they have upcoming more games pa para magawa yung mga dapat nilang gawin. At sa tingin ko, kayang-kaya naman nilang gawin.
Correct.
Nagkataon lang na mas composed itong
Oo,
Davao
correct.
Microsmith dito sa game na to.
Meanwhile, an easy bucket here for Mateo Carpio, extending the lead further, 75-13 in favor of Davao Microsmith. unable to get that conversion done. JL Mini Hoops now with less than 2 minutes remaining, trying to keep fighting in this ball game. Quick 2. Good shot here. JL Mini Hoops now with 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. 1 minute remaining here in this ball game. It's going to look like another cruise win here for Davao Microsmith. Great stop here. Another possession here for the Blue Shirts. Great sportsmanship ang pinapakita dito sa both squads regardless of the loose ball. Andyan yung gusto mo makita if your kids, no? 12-year-olds with great sportsmanship. I would say nung time natin, iba yata yung, gusto natin mangyari.
May respeto sa isa't isa.
Oo.
Lahat ng mga player ngayon. Pero, at their young age, no? Alam na talaga nila. Kaya hindi ka magugulat yung mga bata ngayon. Pag lumaro sila, talagang ibang-iba na.
Oo. Another easy 2 here for Davao Microsmith. It is a 62-point lead. And with that, that is the closing seconds of this third game out of 9 in this 12 under division. The Davao Microsmith able to get the victory against the JL Mini Hoops.
Statement win.
Oo.
Ito nangyari na to dahil simula first quarter hanggang fourth quarter talagang yung Davao, itong Davao Microsmith, itong nag-dictate nitong laro na to.
At maraming nagsasabi dito, maraming pwedeng best Chef's Magic player of the game, and we will find out who it is very shortly. Again, no, this is the third of 9 games. There are 6 more games happening in this venue here in SM South Mall and in Las Piñas City. So if you're near the area, please visit, drop by. And shortly after, we will know who our Chef's Magic player of the game is.
Yes, natapos na ang ating third game. Davao Microsmith versus JL Mini Hoops. At puntahan muna natin itong JL Mini Hoops. Makita natin dun sa game, medyo hindi sila nakakuha ng kanilang momentum dito sa game na to. Pero positive naman dito, madadala nila to sa next game. Yung mga, sure naman ako, meron sila mga natutunan dito sa game na to at madadala nila to sa next game nila. At dito naman sa Davao Microsmith, talaga namang statement win yung ginawa nila dahil first quarter pa lang talagang diniinan na nila at dinipensahan nila ng maigi itong JL Mini Hoops at yung mga at yung kanilang offense talaga namang nagpo-flow at bawat isa naman nag-contribute at talagang collective effort itong Davao Microsmith. At ito na si JP para sa ating Chef's Magic Best Player of the Game.
We are here right now with our Chef's Magic player of the game, Mateo Carpio, with 21 points, 10 rebounds, 9 assists, and 8 steals. Mateo, ano yung advice na binigay ni Coach sa'yo para makuha yung win nyo today?
Earlier in the game na makita natin hindi kami makascore, pero pag mag-listen lang kay Coach, may technique talaga yan siya para makascore palagi.
Given na naka-consecutive wins na kayo dito, no, ano yung makuha nyong momentum dito sa game na to? Kasi kakasabi lang nagaling kayong Singapore, I believe, nag-tournament pa kayo doon, and I think nag-champion kayo. Ano yung makuha nyong lessons galing sa tournament na yun?
May pressure talaga lahat ng game, outside country, inside country. So, dapat maglaro lang ng game namin.
Okay, dahil dyan, Mateo, now it's your moment to give a shoutout.
Lahat ng team, si Papa, Coach Mark, Papa God, Tito Joseph, Iris Chua, Floyd Lucero.
Okay, and with that, we will come back with more Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2.